Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone, if you've been trying to dive into Marvel Rivals only to be met by the frustrating unknown error code 4, you are definitely not alone. It's a common roadblock, but thankfully, there are several straightforward steps you can take to get back into the action. We understand how annoying it is when technical issues interrupt your gaming. So, let's explore some quick fixes to get you back to battling your rivals. Let's begin with the basics, which often surprisingly solve the problem. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can cause all sorts of communication errors. Then try a classic IT trick. Restart your game, the Marvel Rivals launcher, and even your PC. Finally, verify the game files through your platform, like Steam or Epic Games, to repair any corrupted data. These simple steps can often clear up error code 4 right away. If the quick fixes didn't work, it's time for some slightly more advanced steps. Sometimes, old cache data can cause conflicts, so try clearing your game's cache files. Also, keeping your graphics drivers updated is crucial for smooth gameplay and preventing unexpected errors. Finally, try running Marvel Rivals as an administrator. This ensures the game has all the necessary permissions to function correctly, often resolving permission-related error codes. Next, let's look at your system and other software that might be causing interference. If you're using a VPN or an overly strict firewall, try temporarily disabling them, as they can block the game's connection to its servers. Make sure your operating system is fully updated, too. Outdated Windows versions can sometimes lead to compatibility problems. Also, briefly check if your antivirus program is mistakenly flagging the game, causing the error. If you've tried all these steps and still see error code 4, don't lose hope. Your best bet is to contact Marvel Rivals official support. They can provide more personalized help. As a final, last resort, consider a clean reinstallation of the game. Sometimes, this is the only way to resolve deeply corrupted files. And remember, staying active in the game's community forums can also provide valuable insights or news about common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.